Hi everyone, so this is Ed once again, and today there's another tutorial that we'll be doing, and I'm actually receiving a lot of questions on how you can fix your issue when it comes to screen recording. I mean the sound issue when it comes to screen recording. I actually experienced this one myself while I'm doing a screen recording. Sometimes there's sound and sometimes there's none. So I did a lot of research before about on how you can fix the screen recording sound and have it imported to iMovie. So let's dig in on this tutorial. First, make sure that I'm actually using iOS. So I'm recording right now. So if you are using an iPad, you can just swipe on the upper right part of your screen, tap and scroll it down, and this options here will appear. As you can see, I'm recording right now. There's a blinking red button that you can see, so it means that I'm recording right now. So for us to be able to make sure that you have the sound enabled, or you're recording the sound as well whenever you are doing the screen recording, because sometimes you wanted not to record the sound as well, you just wanted to record the screen. For you to be able to do that, this microphone in here, make sure this is on, or it says microphone on. So whenever you switch off this microphone, I'm actually talking while I turn off the microphone, so you did not hear anything. So that is the reason why sometimes you don't have sound on your screen recordings, because you forgot to switch this on and off. Make sure this is on. I mean this microphone is on while you are doing the screen recording. If you wanted to add your sound or your voice while you are doing the screen recording, but if you don't like to include your voice recording, you can just switch this off here. Just tap this button here and it will be turned off. So that's it. That's actually easy. If you watch this video, but if you haven't watched anything about this one, it's quite a little bit annoying and hard for you to fix the issue, but simple as that. So yes, that's it. Thank you so much once again for watching this video, and make sure to subscribe on my channel for future tutorials on different tools and applications. So this is Ed once again, and hoping that you are having a good day.